Life is busy. It's a whirlwind of activity. We rush from one task to the next. Our minds race, filled with thoughts. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, lost in the chaos. But there's a way to find peace amidst the storm. Mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being present. It's about noticing our thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's about savoring each moment, no matter what we're doing. This might sound difficult, but it's actually quite simple. With a little practice, anyone can learn to cultivate mindfulness. Meditation is a powerful tool for developing mindfulness. It's like a workout for your mind. Regular meditation can help you manage stress, reduce anxiety, and improve your focus. It can also help you cultivate greater compassion, both for yourself and for others. This essay will guide you through a simple meditation practice. You'll learn how to find moments of stillness in your day. You'll discover the power of your own breath. You'll begin to tap into the peace that resides within you. Mindfulness is about paying attention, on purpose. You choose to focus on the present moment. You let go of worries about the past or future. It's like pressing the pause button on your mind's endless chatter. Starting a meditation practice is easier than you might think. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, either on a cushion or in a chair. Close your eyes gently. Take a few deep breaths. Notice your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Don't try to control it, just observe it. Your mind will wander. That's perfectly normal. When you notice your mind wandering, gently guide it back to your breath. As you focus on your breath, you might notice other sensations. Perhaps you feel the air on your skin. Maybe you hear sounds around you. Simply acknowledge these sensations without judgment and return your attention to your breath. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Rest your hands in your lap or on your thighs. Close your eyes gently. Take a moment to settle in. Feel the weight of your body supported by the chair or cushion. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out. Don't try to change it in any way. Simply observe it. As you focus on your breath, you might notice thoughts arising. It's natural for your mind to wander. Simply acknowledge these thoughts without judgment. Imagine them like clouds passing by in the sky. Gently guide your attention back to your breath. You might also notice sensations in your body. Perhaps you feel tension, tingling, or warmth. Approach these sensations with curiosity. Observe them without judgment. Allow them to be and gently return your focus to your breath. Continue to breathe deeply and evenly. Focus your attention on the present moment. Let go of any worries or concerns. Simply be present with your breath. As you continue to meditate, you might experience a sense of calmness washing over you. This is the natural state of your mind. By practicing mindfulness, you're simply allowing yourself to access this calmness more readily. You might find that your mind is quieter now than when you began. Thoughts may still arise, but they may have less power over you. You're learning to observe them without getting carried away. Remember, meditation is a practice. Some days will be easier than others. There will be days when your mind races and you feel restless. That's perfectly okay. Simply acknowledge these feelings and gently guide your attention back to your breath. The more you practice, the easier it will become to find moments of stillness throughout your day. You'll start to notice the world around you with greater clarity and appreciation. The benefits of meditation extend far beyond the cushion. As you cultivate mindfulness in your formal practice, you'll start to notice its positive effects in your everyday life. You might find that you're better able to manage stress. When challenges arise, you'll be able to face them with greater calm and clarity. You'll be less reactive and more responsive. Your relationships may improve as well. Mindfulness can help you cultivate greater patience, compassion, and understanding. You'll be more present in your interactions with others. You might also find that you experience greater joy and contentment in your life. By learning to appreciate the present moment, you'll naturally start to focus on the good things in your life. The journey of mindfulness is a lifelong one. There's always more to learn and discover. Be patient with yourself as you explore this practice. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, you don't need to be perfect at meditation. There's no right or wrong way to do it. The most important thing is to simply keep practicing. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. As you continue on your journey, remember these words: wherever you go, there you are. In other words, the present moment is always available to you. No matter what challenges you face, you can always find a moment of peace within yourself.